this video, I'll show you how to edit the robots.txt file using Yoast SEO. This file tells search engines which parts of your site they can or cannot crawl, making it an important step in technical SEO. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Yoast SEO in the sidebar. Then click Tools. Here select File Editor. If you don't already have a robots.txt file, Yoast will create one for you automatically. Now you'll see the file content. You can add disallow directives to block crawlers from certain pages or add your sitemap link so search engines can easily index your site. Once you've made your edits, click Save Changes. If saving doesn't work, make sure file editing is enabled in WordPress and that your server permissions are correct. And that's it, you successfully edited your robots without any inconvenience, and you are right when you start.